everyone. Our today's topic is sex determination. Okay. In this topic, we will study how the sex determined in human beings as well as in other organisms. Okay. So, one of the scientists, that is Hanking, in 1891 observed so many psychological evidences about the determination of sex in the human as well as in insects also. ठीक है. He done lots of experiments in the insects and observed that one of the factor is present in the male. That factor is known as X factor, or later on it is observed or it is concluded as the X chromosome. Okay, it is known as the X chromosome or the X factor which is present in the male, which control the genetic information of the next generation. Means half of the sperm contains the X chromosome or the X factor, right? The X factor later on observed as the X chromosome. So the X chromosome controls the sex of the upcoming generation or the next progeny. Okay, so if we are talking about the human, in human male, the X and Y two chromosomes are present, right? Means half of the sperm carry, in human male, half of the sperm carry X chromosome and half of the sperm carry Y chromosome, and Y chromosome is slightly smaller than the X1. Okay, means the number of autosomes in male and female is equal, that is 22 pair of number of autosomes are present in human male and human female also. But along with the autosomes, an extra pair of sex chromosome is also present in the human male. The XY type is present, means half of the sperm contains X chromosome and half of the sperm contains Y chromosome, which control the sex of the next generation. And the human female contains all the sex chromosomes of X type, right? So the sex determination we can determine by means of X0 type or XY type, or it is known as heterogamety, right? Whether the male is heterogamety or the female heterogamety is there. Now the question arises, what is the heterogamety? Means if the chromosomes are dissimilar, means XY type, for example XY type or another ZW type, if these are different, so these are known as heterogamety. Homogamety means, just suppose in human female these are of XX type, so it is homogamety, right? So heterogamety is of two types in the organism, that is X0 type and XY type, right? Then in human, XY type of present, in grasshopper X0 type, and in Drosophila also it is just like the human, XY type heterogamety is present in the Drosophila as well as in human male, right? So now the question arises, how the sex determined in the birds? What type of heterogamety is present in the birds? It is very important. Okay, एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से in the birds female heterogamety is present. Question आता है, what type of heterogamety is present in the birds? So female have the heterogametes, means half of the gametes contains the Z chromosome and half of the gametes contains the W chromosome. This is the female bird, female, right? And if we are talking about the male, so all the gametes produced by the male in birds are of Z type. It is homogamete. This is male. So जो प्रोजेनी बनेगी वो कैसी आएगी हमारी XX. It is male. बर्ड में मेल X XX, then XY, sorry XW, and again ZW. ये Z है बेटा, नॉट X, सॉरी, ZW एंड ZZ. वो बार बार X कहने की आदत है ना फीमेल ह्यूमन की वजह से. तो आप देखेंगे हम यहाँ पे बर्ड का डिस्कस कर रहे हैं पहले, ठीक है. बर्ड्स का आता है या फिर उसमें पूछेंगे वो आपसे ह्यूमन का. मोस्टली बर्ड्स का आता है, ह्यूमन का तो आप 10th में भी पढ़ चुके हैं और इजी भी है. इसके बाद में ह्यूमन पे आ रही हूँ. तो फीमेल में बर्ड्स की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो बर्ड्स हेट्रोगैमेटी मीन्स half of the gametes contain the Z chromosome, half of the gametes contain the W chromosome, and half of the and in male all the gametes or all the sperm carry the Z type of chromosomes. When we cross each other, जब हम मेल और फीमेल का फर्टिलाइजेशन कराएंगे तो रेशो वही आएगा आपका 50:50 का, और इट इज 1:1 रेशो, राइट. सो हाउ द सेक्स डिटरमिन्ड इन द ह्यूमन. As you all know, in human 22 pairs of autosomes are present. Autosomes are those chromosomes which are responsible for the vegetative characters. These are autosomes. Autosomes. And this is female. In the female, all the eggs produced by the human female contains the X type of chromosome. Means in the female homomorphic condition or homogametic condition is present, right. If we are talking about the male, so 22 autosomes are same in both the male and female. Half of the sperm carry X chromosome and half of the sperm carry Y chromosome. Means here is heteromorphic condition or heterogametic condition. Means out of all the gametes, half of the sperm or gametes contain the X chromosome and half of the gametes contain the Y chromosome. The sex of the child or the newborn is completely regulated by the gamete produced by the human male. How? This is X chromosome, X and Y. Gametes, sorry, X and Y. When we cross each other, हमने इसको क्रॉस करा दिया तो क्या बनेगा? XX, ठीक है. XY, here XX, चाहे आप पनेट स्क्वायर से कर सकते हैं, चॉइस इज योर्स, ठीक है. तो ये क्या हो गए? ये मेल मीन्स बॉय, this is also boy, girl, and this is also girl. Means if the sperm carries the X chromosome, fuses with the egg, so the girl child will form because XX means girl. If the sperm carry with the Y chromosome, fuses with the egg, and egg is always having the X chromosome, so XY form the boy child. So the sex of the child is completely regulated by the sperm which fertilize the ovum, whether it is X type or it is Y type. It is the probability whether the sperm carries the X chromosome or Y chromosome, or the egg fused by the X chromosome carrying sperm or by the Y chromosome carrying sperm. Okay, so this is the sex determination, how the sex determination takes place in the human as well as in birds. So in the birds, female heterogamety is present, that is ZW type, and ZZ in male. In the human, XY type, that is male heterogamety is present in male XY, and in female XX type of gamete is present. Okay.